Ladies and gentlemen, as we are making our final approach towards Singapore, once again, please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, the tray table is stowed, sit back upright, and your window shades in the open position. Passengers with connecting flights on JetStar, please proceed to transfer lounge C for further assistance. If you've been issued with an onward pass, please proceed to the gate. Passenger, please note that our boarding gate will be closed 10 minutes before departure. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Garden City, Singapore. The local time now is approximately 25 minutes to 1 in the afternoon and the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as your baggage may have moved during the flight. On behalf of Captain Ng Sing Yap and the crew, thank you for choosing JetStar, and we look forward to seeing you on board again soon. Enjoy your stay here in our garden city, and to the residents, welcome home.